Interpreter is a new OpenAI GPT-4 feature that combines the immense analytical power of large language models with programming. It can identify data cleaning issues, provide insights and trends, and even offer recommendations for business decisions. In the last episode, we learned how prompt engineering plays a vital role in guiding generative AI models to produce accurate and relevant outputs. In this video, Akash Rajpuria, lead data scientist at mResult and ex-Reliance Jio machine learning specialist, explores how to use extensions and tools like GPT for Sheets to perform tasks like summarizing customer reviews and classifying sentiment directly within spreadsheet applications. We will also learn how code interpreters can generate descriptions of dataset columns and visualize data through plots and graphs. Overall, these functionalities demonstrate the power and versatility of generative AI in analyzing and deriving the insights from data. Quick note, this video is part of a series covering all aspects of machine learning. To delve deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the other videos in the series. Find the link below.
Now, code interpreter is not available for everyone. Basically, it is, if I open a new chat, it is only available. See, in GPT 3.5, there is no option. But if you go to GPT 4, you see a plus option there. In GPT 4 also, there is an option for plugins also. That is, different type of plugins are there. By default, there is default also, like you use ChatGPT 3 in that way also. And then there is code interpreter. This is really very cool thing which I wanted to show you the functionality, the capabilities of generative AI. So in that you can use this plus sign, okay, and you can upload any dataset. And we have the Zomato dataset with us. So I have uploaded this Zomato dataset on this. You can see that the round bar, it would quickly fill it up and it is uploaded. Now I would ask you the very simple question, how many records are there in this data set? You can see that it has already told me that there are 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7 records. But is it correct? Let's see that. So I have already opened this data set for you, Zomato data set. Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 8. Exactly the same one. Okay, the first column is for this one. So don't say that it is wrong. Okay, so it is exactly matching. Header. Yes, that's right. It is perfectly same. And now more interestingly, you can click on show work and you can see the actual code behind it, what it has written. That is why its name as code interpreter. It has read the data set. It has applied the number of records and it has given you the results. Let's try with some cool things. Again, a task, a role for this. You are a top data analyst, or I would say that simple, you are a data analyst. Tell me two things. Description of each column in simple terms, because I am not an expert in this field. Okay, second thing I'm saying it that is you need to find what are data cleaning issues in this data set. Okay, let's see that what answer it gives. Okay, let's try that. Okay, so here he started generating the description for all of us. Okay, it has started generating the descriptions. It would take a little bit of time, a big task it is. So the restaurant name, the dining ratings, the ratings are given from 1 to 5. Delivery ratings, dining votes, number of customers who provided the ratings for dining experience. Very good. I didn't know that what is dining votes. Then delivery votes, number of customers who has given the delivery. Cuisine, that is fast food, Indian, Chinese. Then place name, the location, city, item name, bestseller indicates that food item is the bestseller or must try. Votes, number of votes given to a specific and the price. Very good. Next is data cleaning issues. It has already said there are missing values, duplicate rows, anomalies, outliers, inconsistent or mislabeled data in categorical column. Let's see what it has done here for this task. Description for it. So it has just used here column names and it has given the description. Okay, that's cool. Let's see what it has done for data cleaning. It has checked the missing values here like we do as a human. It has found the missing values in dining and delivery. Bestseller, this might be an intentional since not all the items can be bestseller. See guys, can you understand this? So it said that there are some missing values in bestseller. If you see that, let's go back to our data. And where is bestseller here? Let's move to where it has missing values. Let me make it big. Okay, let's move to missing bestseller. Yes. So it says that this is the missing value. Can you tell me that this chicken tandoori salad would be the bestseller? So do you think that this is a missing value? No. Okay, every item cannot be bestseller. It is exactly saying that. See how beautiful it has understood that. Next, let's find the duplicate data in the dataset. Again, it has used the specific function for it. And there are 21,000 duplicate rows. This is an area of required attention during data cleaning. Okay, now let's examine some potential anomalies here. How it has analyzed the anomalies. So it has used summary here, and based on that describe function, he has given us dining rate values raised, which seems reasonable for that values. This is the price, minimum is 0, which seems very cheap for an item. However, the maximum price is 12,000, which can be an outlier for a very expensive dish. So it has done really a very good job here. Okay, so this is one thing. Let's try some more things here. This is really very cool. Okay, let's try now to say it that what could be the reason for this missing values and what would be the treatment for this. Let's try to get that. What can be the reason for missing values and how we can treat them? Let's see that. I'm also very much excited to see what we will do with this price. So let's try that also. So reason for missing values, it says the basic things like the same data entry errors, human collection, not applicable some cases, intentional omission. Okay. Sometimes respondent does not give the information. And yes, treatment, it says deletion, imputation.
If you have made it to this point in the video, do subscribe for more such content and click on the link below to check out our other courses. We offer an array of programs from top universities in India as well as abroad. Alright, now let's get back to the lesson.
Let's try to make some task advanced. This is like easy task. Let's try to make advanced task for it. Can you show me 10 exciting trends in this data set? 10 exciting trends in this data set. And I'm saying that I want specific charts or graph, okay, or plots. So distribution of dining and delivery for rating topmost 10 cuisines, distribution of price. Let's start by visualizing each and everything. Very good. It has generated some beautiful plots already for us. Distribution of dining ratings. Okay, so from this observations, it seems that 4 ratings are very high. Okay, here also 4 ratings, 3.5 ratings are very high. Very good, very good. Okay, next plot, what it said, 10 most common cuisines. So people are ordering beverages and pizzas a lot. Very cool, very cool. Okay, that's really interesting. Okay, this is a skewed graph, distribution of price and food items. So which means that there are a lot of outliers as well, and the data is very much skewed. Most food items are priced between 50 to 400 units, probably in the local currency. This is a notable peak at 100 to 150 price ranges. Very good observations. Okay. Top restaurants, McDonald's and Domino's, Burger King has the top ratings. Distributions, very good, very good, very good. It's keep on generating that. Okay, I think that's much more graph. I will stop generating it. Let's try another question. Okay, we will try what is the average price for each city. Okay, let's try that. What is the average price? I think I'm stopping it. That is the reason it is getting angry. Okay, let's do one thing. We will not stop it. We will generate the answer once again. Yeah, it started working. This is already used by online reputed management. Yes, that's right. So average price in each city. So we are getting that. We want to say it. We want plots for that. Let's see whether it plots the plot. And we should has 10. Okay, I want plot for it as well. Okay. So the average price in Mumbai is 304. That is very strange. Ulcer has a very average price. This means that this city people are ordering much more. It has added Bangalore localities. Yes, that's very cool. So much more working population here, which means that much more ordering online. Okay, Mumbai, Pune, but I am very much shocked. I thought that Mumbai would come on top. The corresponding business related to this data set is making a loss. Could you provide me with detailed steps business decision to make a huge profits in future as quickly as possible and make some plots as well to proof or support your answer? Let's try that whether it works in this case. So let's see what response it has given. Turning a loss making into profitable one requires a systematic approach through analysis, well strategic plans. Given Zomato food ordering, here is a structured plan. Analyze the problem before diving into data set, review financial statements. Okay. Feedback, gather the feedback from customers, optimize the operational cost, ensure that timely delivers, dynamic prices, data, strengthen, diversify, innovate, monitor. Let's now drive some insight from this data to support these strategies. Okay, so it has given some basic steps. I think not much specific. Okay, but let's see what insights it would find. Identify the most, very good point. Okay, identify the most profitable cities. Determine the cuisine with highest ratings. Find the most popular food. Yes, guys, this is really amazing. Yes, this is what you wanted, Chris. I think the first answer was very generic, was not very good. Okay, but the next part is very good. So what it says, average ratings of number of cities. The combined bar and line charts insights into average rating and the number of restaurants in each cities. Okay, so high demand areas like has a significant number of restaurants listed, suggesting in high demand strategy should focus on strengthening operations and partnership in this area. Quality over quantity, which is neighborhood, has a fewer restaurants but high average ratings. This area can be targeted. Very good. This seems good. Top 10 cuisines, Awadhi, Mexican. Okay. Okay, which food you would order in Bangalore? Let's see that if you were on a visit. And let's try the last question now. Well, I don't have personal preferences. I can recommend some popular option. Biryani बोल रहा है भाई ये. Idli, dosa, kebab, grills, Karnataka thali, filter coffee. Yes, filter coffee came, Mohammed. Okay, let's see the last one. I am planning to start a Bengaluru in this. Can you help me? Which food item should I keep in the menu by maximizing my profit? Let's see that. Okay, so ideally you can do all the visualization, presentation, and you can ask the questions. Guys, this is really very interesting. Certainly, to maximize the profit in this area, it is essential to offer items both popular and potentially profitable. So identify the most popular items, highest rated items, and highest profit margin items. While this dataset does not have provide direct cost data, higher price items, assuming they are not overpriced, can hint for higher profit margin. See, this is so superb. Okay, if you minutely see that, it has said that profit margin should be into consideration. And while profit margin consideration, it says that cost price is not given to me. So I would assume high priced, overpriced items are highly profitable. That happens in business chains a lot. However, general knowledge of Bengaluru is this: what it has done, it has identified sorting values. Okay, very good. You can ask it to make plots also. Before ChatGPT, we were talking about generative AI. We generally used to talk about the jobs like the maid jobs would be gone, like the low ranked jobs would be gone, but the creative jobs are something that are super awesome and will be there throughout. Yes, this was the thing. Major jobs would be gone for creative heads. That is what right now the scenario is. The creative jobs like creating the data, creating the code, creating the images, like that. So this is how AI would impact the job. If you pay attention here, the one with gray ones are highly likely to be replaced. Okay, so if you see, mostly there are the legal jobs that are going to be replaced, then office and administrative supportive jobs. Okay, then 10 to 20% it is AI jobs also, like the computer and mathematical, like you exactly said, Chris. So this all jobs are also there. Most highly secured job which feels right now is the ground jobs, like building the materials, like the building the houses and all that, repairing construction works, production works, transportation, material moving, because generative AI has not entered them yet. You can use extensions. In this extension, you would have GPT for sheet. You need to just install that. Once you install that, you would have a GPT function equals to GPT. Okay, this is exactly like a prompting. You can see that I have used the GPT function. I said that take my C2 cell and summarize the customer review in less than 10 words. And perfect, it has done that. So it is not difficult at all. Same way for my sentiment column, I did the same thing. GPT, classify the customer review in positive, negative, neutral, and I have given C2 there. And immediately within a second, it has done that for it. So this is also really cool and very simple. You need to go on extension, click on GPT Sheets and install that. That's it.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to learn and explore more such topics, head to the link below and subscribe to this channel for more. Until next time.